What happens when RAM takes the already outrageous TRX formula and pushes it into full heavy-duty territory with true 4x4 muscle? Does it become the ultimate off-road truck ever built? Or is it simply too extreme for the real world? Welcome back to Road Revolt. And today we're diving deep into the 2026 RAM TRX HD 4x4, a truck that feels less like an evolution and more like a controlled explosion of power, size, and attitude. Because from the moment you lay eyes on it, this thing doesn't whisper dominance. It shouts it through widened fenders, an aggressive HD stance, massive all-terrain tires, and a grille that looks ready to inhale traffic. While the reinforced frame underneath signals that this is no ordinary TRX but a heavy-duty beast, engineered to survive punishment both on and off the road. Under the hood, Ram's philosophy is simple: go bigger, go stronger, and refuse compromise, pairing next-generation high-output engineering with HD cooling, fortified driveline components, and a torque figure that feels endless whether you're crawling over rocks, blasting across sand, or towing like a diesel, but accelerating like a supercar. And what makes the 2026 TRX HD truly special is not just raw numbers, but how intelligently that power is delivered through an advanced 4x4 system with multiple terrain modes, locking differentials, and a recalibrated off-road suspension that soaks up abuse without sacrificing control, making this truck feel shockingly planted for something so massive. Step inside and the cabin proves Ram understands that modern buyers want brutality wrapped in luxury, because you're greeted by premium materials, deep bolstered seats, carbon fiber and metal accents, and a massive digital display setup that puts performance data, off-road angles, suspension settings, and camera views right in your line of sight, turning every drive into a mission control experience rather than a simple commute. And despite its hardcore nature, the TRX HD doesn't punish you on the street, as ride quality remains surprisingly refined. Road noise is well managed for such aggressive rubber, and driver assist tech works quietly in the background, reminding you that this monster can still function as a daily driver if you're brave enough. Towing and payload are where the HD badge earns its respect, as reinforced axles, upgraded brakes, and a strengthened chassis allow the TRX HD to haul serious weight while maintaining stability, something traditional high-performance trucks often struggle with. And yet, when you drop your foot and let it run, the sound, the surge, and the sheer violence of acceleration feel almost unreal for a truck of this size, making it clear that Ram didn't build this to follow rules or trends, but to dominate every category it touches. Visually, every detail serves a purpose, from functional hood vents and skid plates to aggressive lighting, signatures that look just as menacing at night. And the wider track not only enhances stability, but gives the TRX HD a presence that turns heads before the engine even starts. While fuel efficiency is predictably not the headline here, because this truck exists for those who value capability and emotion over economy, people who want to feel connected to something mechanical and powerful in an age of quiet efficiency. What truly sets the 2026 RAM TRX HD 4x4 apart is how it blends extremes, because it's equally at home tearing through desert trails, flexing over rocky climbs, or pulling heavy loads with confidence, all while surrounding the driver in comfort and cutting-edge tech. And in a market crowded with capable trucks, this one feels unapologetically excessive in the best way possible. Like Ram decided to ask, why not? Instead of, do we need this, and built it anyway. And now, after experiencing everything this truck represents, we can finally answer the question we started with. The 2026 RAM TRX HD 4x4 isn't just the ultimate off-road truck ever built. It's a statement that heavy-duty power and high performance, insanity can coexist in one unstoppable machine.